Here are a few predictions for litigation financing in India for 2019. It will no longer be thought of as illegal. Sometimes, the line between legal and ethical principles is not always clear-cut. This creates issues and misconceptions. In India, laws are always ethical, but ethics are not always law. Thus, the acceptance of litigation finance in India has been delayed. Currently, there is no law that bars litigation finance in India, but many believed that it was illegal. Further, in Bar Council of India v. A.K. Balaji, it was determined that litigation financiers are not restricted in funding the litigation of claimants. In 2019, this misconception will change. Legal departments will bring in money. Litigation finance can help businesses transfer their risk. Generally, the bigger the corporation is, the more they are involved in litigation. Soon, CEOs will determine that litigation finance is the smartest and most efficient tool to diminish legal costs. Further, turning to litigation finance to fund their claims may also bring in money because they could pursue claims they may have otherwise not have been able to pursue. In 2019, corporations turning to litigation financiers to help fund their legal department will become more mainstream. There will be greater accessibility to local financiers. Accessibility is the single greatest factor to growing litigation finance. According to some research, many corporations who knew of litigation finance struggled to avail themselves to it because they were not close to any funders. Most of the available financiers were international companies. In 2019, this will change with the emergence of more locally based, Indian companies. There will be a regulatory body. With the prediction of an emergence of a greater use of litigation finance in India, a regulatory body needs to be created to help police and protect these new businesses. More international investors will become involved in the Indian litigation finance market. Currently, India is an $80 billion litigation finance market. Any financer would love to rake in a piece of this pie. In 2019, India will become a hit for litigation financiers.